Why do 80% of iPad users freeze up when they forget their password? Because unlocking iCloud sounds tricky. Let's make it simple, step by step. First, if you still have another Apple device, like an iPhone or Mac, signed into your iCloud, you're in luck. Just head to Settings, tap your name, then Sign in Security, and choose Change Password. Easy, no backup device, no problem. Grab the Apple Support app on a friend's device, select Support Tools, tap Reset Password, and follow the prompts. Or visit iforgot.apple.com and start your account recovery online. But heads up, this one might take a little longer. Got a used iPad locked to a previous owner? The safest bet is to ask them to remove the lock via iCloud.com. Can't reach them? Apple may help if you've got proof of purchase. Avoid unofficial unlock tools. They're risky, limited, and often a scam. Stick with the official Apple ways for safety and full features. Quick recap: use trusted devices, Apple's support, or proof of purchase.